Hello everyone, this is Chris. Just got this on eBay. This is a Varney kit. I got it from Train Buff 40 maybe about 2 weeks ago. He had a 10-day shipping time for some reason. This is an old box that Varney used to use, and this is the kit with the ore cars. Has the original instructions. This one of the reasons I got interested in these cars is because I like this engine. It's a little Docksider. I guess it's probably a replica of the B&O Docksider. Someone told me that there was used down in Baltimore at the port, or at the maybe like where all the docks were on the Inner Harbor or somewhere around there. And this is a picture from the layout of John Allen, and he kind of made this little engine famous. There's the instructions how to put these. Are the metal ore cars. And these are already put together. Looking at the pictures online, there's three cars in this kit, and one of them doesn't have the original box, and it doesn't have any couplers that I saw. These are the die-cast metal with the sprung trucks. I'll have to put couplers on these. It just has 4 screws, I think, in each corner, one in each corner, that hold it together. There's no brake wheel. I don't know if they had brake wheels or just this lever. Or maybe that is the brake wheel. Yeah, just a ratcheting lever. But I'm not sure if I'm going to paint these and use them, or altogether. I have 10 of these cars now. Varney Ore Car. Just that's all it says on these boxes. And I'm pretty sure, this is just the same as what I just showed you. But that's all I have for you right now. I want to show you some more things I got on eBay. I'll show those in another video. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.